right, we're doing this YouTube thing. I am so excited that you finally decided to do it. This isn't gonna be your traditional YouTube learning channel. I'm gonna make it so much fun. Now, I have another channel, She Knows Vegas. I did monetize that one. And then I have this one, and then I have Heather TV. Heather TV, I do product reviews, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do over there. Here, obviously, we're gonna be talking about YouTube and social media and getting these channels going. Now, I did take about a year break. Life happens. I know everyone says never take a break, but you know what? My channels continue to grow. Not exponentially, obviously, but they definitely grew because I think if you have good content, people wanna watch it. First thing I want you to do is I want you to pick up your phone right now and I want you to start filming yourself, because I think that is the biggest barrier for people, because they're just terrified about how they're gonna look. But these are just practice videos. No one ever has to see them. You just film yourself walking around, sitting in a chair, different rooms in your house, whatever. And then you play it back and you watch so you can see where you want to film. You can see how you look. You can see how you talk. You can hear your voice. You can see where to look, because right now I'm looking at the lens, which is at the end of my phone, the top end. And if I look here, so I'm looking at myself, because that's what a lot of people want to do. They want to see how they look as they're talking. That would be a terrible experience for you as the viewer. You want to be looking at the lens so that now I am looking straight at you, talking to you. It's a bit of a learning curve, but if you keep doing these practice videos, I promise you'll have it down in no time. You also want to be a little more animated when you talk, because people don't want to watch something that's really slow and boring. It just would not be exciting to watch. You want to learn about lighting when you're doing these practice videos. Lighting's super important. I just used 2 floor lamps when I got started and it worked perfect. Now I've got a tripod with a ring light on it, and that just gives me hands-free and I love it. Lighting is super important once you get going, because it just lights you all up, makes you look better. The video is just clear. Normally you wouldn't have a window behind you like I do right now, but it's darker out, so it's not so bad and it looks cool. And I have a ring light in front of me. So these ring lights on tripods are really not that expensive. I'll try and see if I can link some down below in the description. But for now, I don't want you picking a niche. I don't want you worrying about uploading a video every week. I don't want you worrying about anything. I just want you to start filming yourself. I've never heard anyone talk even about that. Just get comfortable, build your confidence, trash the videos or keep them for shits and giggles, whatever, or upload them. I don't know, maybe you're gonna be perfect right off the bat. But let's just get started, and we'll talk in the next video and see where we're going from there. I'm so excited for you. All right, let's go.